Good morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.
There's no better way to celebrate than in the 67 Corvette for a nice little sister morning drive. And we're just pulling up to Gravity Coffee to get some coffee this morning.
Shout out to Gravity. We love their coffee and they're right around the corner from the house.
Yes.
And then we're working on something super special. We have a big surprise reveal for the car show this year. So we're going to go check on the build out and see how everything is looking. And we cannot wait to share this with you guys.
This is something that the local racing community is gonna love, and it's gonna bring you right back. It's something that hasn't been done at a car show before, and we're really, really excited about it.
We're really excited, and in true fashion, our community and our dad's friends have gone above and beyond to make this dream happen for us. It was an idea that we had over dinner right after the car show last year, and we took it to somebody, and he has done more with this than we ever could have imagined. So we're so excited to bring this installment to the fairgrounds this year, and they've been great working with us on getting in early and setting up a day before and all the things that it takes to make something like this happen. So we're so excited.
Can't wait. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Go. Thank you so much.
Look at this cutie. Love it or hate it, the yellow theme is coming through.
Should we do a frame off yellow restoration for the 67?
Fuck yes.
Mom would die. Okay guys, this is a 1967 Corvette. It has teak steering wheel, 4-speed manual transmission, M22 rock crusher. We love this car. People love it locally. And we just pulled up to Gravity Coffee. Hi guys. Beautiful day for a drive. I just found out the other day that not all Corvettes have flared fenders, 6 taillights, or rack and pinion steering, or posi traction rear end.
Learn something new every day.